Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how I produce this painting, and the first thing that I'm going to do is show you the colors that I use. Watercolor. I use Cambodge, and from Winsor & Newton I used orange and lamp black for the silhouette of the castle. And these are the three colors I used. I'll show you how to create this spooky castle in a Halloween night. So let's get started. Okay, now the paint is dried, and I'm gonna proceed to paint the castle with lamp black. I'm using a brush, silver silk number 6, but you can use the brush, your favorite brush. So the consistency of the lamp black that I'm applying is a milky consistency. I'm applying the paint on dry paper, and therefore I have to apply it kind of fast to avoid the paint from drying fast and creating solid edges on the paper. And as you can see, I'm avoiding the inside of the windows because I'm going to paint them with orange, Cambodge or orange, to create the effect of inside light in the castle. Really careful. I need to add more paint to the brush. Sometimes it's not easy to calculate how big the brush it has to be in order to contain enough paint to cover the area you're painting. Now on the right side, I'm going to create the silhouette of a pine tree, applying the paint in this manner, lightly touching with the tip of the brush and creating the silhouette of a pine tree. color in this part of the paint to finish creating the silhouette of the rest of the buildings. I'm applying a second layer on this part. And finally, I'm going to add with a smaller round brush the camouflage color inside the windows to create the effect that the light is on inside these rooms in the castle. As you can see, it was pretty easy and fast to create this painting. Need to add some details on the windows and we'll have finished this Halloween spooky night. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, I need to let the paint inside the windows to dry, and then I'm gonna apply some details with this pen 005 that is water resistant, and we'll wait for the paint to dry and then do that. Okay, now the paint inside the windows is dried. I'm gonna add a few lines to indicate the frame of the windows. Okay, I think that we are finished with this spooky night with a castle on a silhouette. We are finished. Now let's reveal the final product by taking the masking tape out to be able and here we have our Halloween night with the silhouette of a haunted castle. Thank you for watching this channel. I invite you to subscribe and give it a like and make sure to write a comment. Thank you.